So as you know, I just finished having my fall retreat, the Idiot Quilter Fall Retreat for 2025. And during the retreat, I put together a slideshow of quilts pictures that were sent to me by the participants. And I had a couple of participants asking me if I was going to post that video here on my channel for other people to enjoy. And I thought, well, why not? Because there were some beautiful quilts in that slideshow. They were all beautiful and they're all very inspiring. And I think they deserve to be seen or be, seen by a wider audience. So that's what I've done. I have put it on here for you to enjoy. So enjoy.
Of laughter in the air, every seam says we care. Pins and prizes spin around, tips and tricks with a thumping sound. Dancing out at the Quilter retreat, friends and fun where the colors meet. Laughter sparks and we learn anew. Share your vibe and your creations too. Speakers drop wisdom bombs while the bassline hums their songs. Quilts unfold like disco lights, turning scraps into delight. Hands in motion, hearts collide. This retreat's a patchwork ride. Dancing out at the Quilter retreat, friends and fun where the colors meet. Come and stay. Ooh, yeah. Prizes, laughter, all the play. Socialize and so all day. The Idiot Quilter retreat, retreat. So all day can't be beat, can't be beat. New friends here, what a treat, what a treat. Retreat, retreat, the Idiot Quilter retreat, retreat.
Quilter's pure delight. Catch up projects, make them right. Stitch and chat till late at night. Learn the tricks, new techniques. Explore the colors, find the peaks. Find the peaks, the peaks. Find the peaks, the way. Steven and Walker, Quilter, retreat, retreat. Supportive vibes, colors come and stay. Rises, laughter, all the play. Socialize and so all day. Retreat, retreat, retreat. Retreat, retreat, retreat. Retreat, retreat, retreat. Retreat, retreat. Steven and Walter lead the way. Supportive vibes come and stay. Ooh yeah. Prizes, laughter, all the play. Socialize and so all day.
Pack your bag, bring your thread and needle. This ain't a race, but it's got some speed. Oh, colors splash like fireworks tonight. Patterns bloom in the soft daylight. At the retreat, we stitch and sew, where the fabrics dance and the friendships grow. Steven and Walter lead the way. We quilt and sew all day, all day. Spools of bread like a candy rainbow. Prizes waiting, but you never know. Learn a trick from a quilting master. Turn a mess into beauty faster. Cut it, slice it, stitch it tight. Feel the joy in every stripe.